Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Missy Collects. Today I'll be unboxing this Banpresto Q Posket Disney character Cinderella from the Dreamy Style Special Collection Volume 2 series. On the front of the box there is a pretty picture of Cinderella in her wedding gown. She looks very pretty. On this side of the box there is a gold frame with a pretty picture of Cinderella in it. At the bottom of the box it shows you that there are two versions in this Dreamy Style Special Collection Volume 2 series. There is Cinderella, which is version A, and Belle, which is version B. I purchased version A. There is a close-up picture on this side of the box of Cinderella. She looks so pretty. As I unwrap the plastic, you can see that there are three pieces to this Cinderella figure, which are Cinderella's head and her wedding veil, her wedding gown, and a gold base. Here are the three pieces that I've taken out of the plastic. Here is the gold base. It has the word Q Posket on it and a pretty pattern going the whole way around the edge. This gold base is so shiny and pretty. There are two holes on this base. These two holes are where Cinderella's high heels will fit into the base to stand her up. Here is Cinderella's wedding gown. It looks so beautiful. Cinderella is wearing a full-length, long-sleeved wedding gown that is a very pale blue colour. It does look grey in this light, but it's actually very pale blue. The ends of the sleeves go into a point across Cinderella's hands, which looks nice. Cinderella is also wearing a pearlescent white necklace. The wedding gown has a pearlescent finish to it which gives it a beautiful shine all over. The wedding gown is very pretty and very detailed. I like the shape of the wedding gown at the bottom. It looks really pretty and you can see a ruffled edge going the whole way around. Underneath Cinderella's wedding gown you can see the ruffled edge here on her gown, and she is wearing light blue ruffled bloomers and clear high heels which resemble the glass slippers she wears in the Cinderella movie. Here is Cinderella's head. She's so beautiful. Cinderella has blue eyes, black eyeliner and long black eyelashes, rosy cheeks and red lips. Cinderella's hair looks lovely. She has a big beautiful fringe and her hair is worn all up. Cinderella is wearing a beautiful pearlescent light blue wedding veil. It looks really pretty at the back and the veil hangs down so lovely. The wedding veil has a textured finish and the pearlescent blue colour on it looks really pretty. Here is Cinderella all assembled. She measures approximately 14 centimeters tall. Cinderella looks beautiful. I love her wedding gown. It looks so lovely on her, and the pearlescent finish to her wedding gown looks really pretty. Her hair looks lovely and her wedding veil is really pretty and detailed. I'll finish off now by placing Cinderella onto my turntable to show you what she looks like the whole way around. And that brings me to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of this Band Presto Q Posket Disney character Cinderella, which is the version A figure from the Dreamy Style Special Collection Volume 2 series. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this in the future, and you can also check out other videos that I've previously posted. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.